Clearing your search history on Chime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is removed. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Find Privacy Options. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Privacy Options. This section typically contains settings related to your account's data and history. Step 4. Select Clear Search History. Within the Privacy Options, look for the option that says Clear Search History or something similar. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm Deletion. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice and your search history will be deleted. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Chime. Regularly clearing your history can help maintain your privacy and keep your account organized.